The 2018 Toyota CHR 1.8 Hybrid Excel CVT, finished in beige, delivers sharp coupe-inspired styling, smooth automatic performance, and impressive hybrid efficiency in one eye-catching package. Registered in 2018 and showing 57,032 miles, this is a low-mileage example for its age at under 10,000 miles per year, and it has been well kept with partial service history. The 1.8 Petrol hybrid powertrain offers a refined and economical drive, paired with an automatic CVT transmission that makes town driving, commuting, and longer trips effortless, while also being ULEZ compliant for added peace of mind in city driving. The Excel trim brings a premium feel to the cabin, with standout features including heated leather seats, satellite navigation, a reversing camera, parking sensors, keyless entry and start, and stylish alloy wheels, all combining to make this CHR as comfortable as it is practical. With its raised driving position, distinctive design, and Toyota's strong reputation for reliability, this hybrid hatchback is an excellent choice for drivers wanting low-run